Hi everyone, I am Dr. Shahan and today in this video I will tell you about a zombie drug and that is xylazine. Why it is called a zombie drug? Because it produces certain effect where the people looks like zombie. So this is known as a zombie drug. Basically this drug is very much famous nowadays in US, United States, where many people has abused this drug. This is basically xylazine and that is known as the zombie drug. I will tell you very important things about this drug. Xylazine is a horse tranquilizing drug. It is a horse tranquilizer. What do you mean by tranquilizer? Whatever calms our mind. So the drug which calms our mind is known as a tranquilizer. So it is a horse tranquilizer, or we can say it is used for veterinary purposes, for veterinary tranquilizing effect. And this drug also has a pain killing effect. It has a pain killing effect and sedative in nature. What is the nature? Sedative in nature. And it has muscle relaxant property. So these are the properties. What are the properties? Number 1 is sedative in nature. Number 2, painkiller. Number 3, muscle relaxant. So all these are there. Now when this drug is added or mixed with heroin, cocaine, meth and other street drugs, this actually shows greater effect. This actually shows this effect like sedation, pain killing and muscle relaxation prominently. Now it has been leading increase. There is a lead increase in the overdose of this drug, and basically this drug is known as trank. This drug is known as trank. What is the nickname? The nickname, or the local generally who take the drug, they call it trank. Now this trank is a flesh eating drug. Why it is known as flesh eating drug? Because it turns people into some skin infection and it turns people into zombie. What does it means? It basically means that there are skin infection that occurs in people because of taking this drug, and they look like zombie and that is why it is known as zombie drug. I will show you real picture, don't worry. This is xylazine injection. You can look at the picture, xylazine injection, and the brand name is also written here. This is one of the brand. The brand is xylazine, XYLAXIN. And this look at the label. It is written what? Sedative, analgesic, pre-anesthetic and muscle relaxant. Basically I told you this is known as trank, and they are used as muscle relaxant. They are used in pre-anesthetic drug and sedative in case of animal. So animal tranquilizer or veterinary tranquilizer. But nowadays people are abusing this drug and becoming zombie in US. Now xylazine is a horse tranquilizer, so it is a veterinary drug. So if this veterinary drug is taken in human being with other drugs, then it can cause serious side effect, and the side effects are skin lesion. Number 1 is skin lesion. The skin will be having vigorous sores and infection. There will be lot of sores, there will be lot of infection on the skin. Number 2 is respiratory depression. This is very important. Respiratory depression, that means the patient will have depressed respiration system. This is very important. Depression in respiratory activities. Third is decreased blood pressure. The blood pressure will rapidly fall and the blood pressure will be low, very low. So these are very important. Respiratory depression, the patient cannot breathe also properly. Along with that, the blood pressure is also falling down. And also hyperglycemia, the sugar will be very high. And blurred vision. They have blurred vision and disorientation and staggering. Another is inability to respond. These people, when you ask to respond, they cannot respond properly. So inability to respond. and they are always in unconscious state. They are always in unconscious state, or they are in sedation. Sometimes this patient can go into coma, and sometimes they may die due to overdose. So the overdose of this drug is basically causing the problem, because it is killing the people. So overdose cause death. So what are the things, what are the side effects we are getting when xylazine is taken in human beings along with other drugs? Number one is skin disease, different kind of skin disease like skin lesion, ulcers, okay, inflammations, infections are there. Second is respiratory depression is there. Third is blood pressure is falling down, sugar is going up, and blood vision is there, disorientation in the patient, staggering is there, inability to respond, and the patient is unconscious, and the patient is sedated, sedation is there. Along with the patient may present with coma, and they may die from overdose. Look at this person. This person is actually taking the trank, actually taking xylazine or the zombie drug or the trank. Now the question arises, xylazine is a veterinary medicine, it is a veterinary drug. Then why people or human beings are basically using it? They are using it illicitly as a recreational drug, along with combination with opioid, combined it with opioid. They are combining it with opioid. This is a horse tranquilizer or an animal tranquilizer, and they are using it with opioid, and they are getting recreational effect, and that is why they are misusing this drug and becoming zombie. And this is very much common in United States, and recent it is a problem. So this is the end of this video. Look at this person who has died due to overdose of this drug. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, make a thumbs up and please subscribe this channel. Do not go without subscribing this channel. Many people watches this channel but do not subscribe. Please subscribe this channel. This channel contains so many medical videos free of cost you can watch. Just you need to press the subscribe button. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.